Hello everyone, this is Know Your English, bringing you another quick exploration into idioms. Do you have a heart of gold? This is a very charming expression, so let us uncover its origins and meaning. The phrase, heart of gold, is often tossed around in conversations to describe someone who is incredibly kind, generous, and caring. But why would the phrase use gold? Why not silver? And what about platinum? Gold, throughout history, has been a symbol of purity, value, and rarity. It's a metal that doesn't tarnish or corrode, representing something that remains true and beautiful, no matter the circumstances. So when we say someone has a heart of gold, we're essentially saying their kindness and purity are precious and enduring, just like the metal. The origins of this idiom trace back to English literature. It was famously used by William Shakespeare in his play Henry V. In a particularly reflective moment, the character King Henry disguises himself as a common man and talks to his soldiers. One of them, by the name of Pistol, remarks on King Henry, whom he doesn't recognize, saying, "The king's a borecock and a heart of gold." Here, borecock means a fine fellow, highlighting King Henry's virtues even when stripped of his royal recognition. This phrase, like many others coined by Shakespeare, stuck in the English language and has been used ever since to commend the deeply ingrained goodness in people. It's saying that in a world that can often be cynical and harsh, there are still individuals whose kindness shines brightly and consistently. So the next time you describe someone as having a heart of gold, remember you're linking them to a tradition of value, virtue, and rarity that has been cherished for centuries. And who knows, maybe this little exploration will inspire you to recognize the golden hearts around you and also cultivate one as well. Speaking of hearts, have you ever thought of why we say someone wears their heart on their sleeve? The link on your screen points to a quick look at this interesting phrase. Until next time, this is Know Your English saying, don't forget to keep that curiosity alive, and we will see you in the next one.